Yeah, I'm gonna move this, okay? Here. Move this one. Now move this one. Okay, there you go. Come on, there's your runway.
Yeah, you guys stick together, eh? Help a guy out.
It's pretty funny.
Wait till I show you the other one. You don't mind walking there, do you? Well, that's better. Hey, you had a little rest. You want to come sit with Newman? He's over here. How you doing? How you doing? Do you want something to eat? Do you want to go in and get something to eat? Or are you dragging your poopy feet all over the sofa? That's okay by me. That's okay.
We have no butter, Janita?
Not out. Do you want to go in and get something to eat, Cookie? How you doing, Cookie? Ah. You're walking a little better this morning. Can you get on there? Here's Newman. Hi, Newman. Boy, what would you do without that beak, hey? How you making out? Is that Newman? Is that Newman? You get to say hi to Newman? Huh? He's a good boy.